Good morning, dear students. Let's start some applications of trigonometry. Students, this topic is really very important and interesting topic and is very useful in our daily life. Students, in the previous lectures, lecture 1 and lecture 2, we have already discussed about the basic concepts regarding the same. Now, in this session, I am sharing you again the same basic concepts. Just recall one time and after that we will start the questions. So students, here we have the points to remember and the formulas are sin x is p over h, cos x is b over h, tan x is p over b. P stands for the perpendicular, b stands for base and s stands for hypotenuse. And here cosecant x is the reverse of the sin x and secant x is the reciprocal of cos x and cot is the reciprocal of tan x. Now students, here is the right angle triangle. The angle is theta and the side opposite to the angle is called the perpendicular. Okay, and the adjacent side which is attached to the perpendicular, that is the adjacent side, is called the base, and the slanting line that attach the perpendicular and base together is called the hypotenuse. Now students, here are some important key points. These are really very important and useful in the questions. Students, suppose in the question we have to find the hypotenuse and perpendicular is given, then we have to relate these twos, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Okay, and perpendicular and hypotenuse में relation क्या है? Sin x का relation है. Similarly, base is given and we have to find hypotenuse. Suppose students, hypotenuse is given and we have to find the base, then we use the relation of cos x. Similarly students, here we have the tan x function, that is p over b. Now students, by using these concepts we will start today question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. Students, हमें ग्राउंड पर एक पॉइंट लेना है एंड एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन मीन्स जब हम नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ देखते हैं. द एंगल्स ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द बॉटम एंड द टॉप ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन टॉवर. Here is a transmission tower, you can see. This is the transmission tower. And angle of elevation of the bottom, this is the bottom and this is the top of transmission tower are 45 degree and 60 degree. You can see here. And we need to find the height of the tower. So students, इधर आप देख सकते हैं क्वेश्चन में कि हमारे पास क्वेश्चन में this is the building and this is the tower. हमें find करना है height of the tower. So for the same students, let's start. Here we have two right angle triangles. First one is the building, okay, and next one is the from the bottom to the from the foot to the height of the tower. So students, let the building be AB and tower be CA. This is A, this one is A, and here building be AB, you can see here, and the tower be CA. And building is 20 meter high. This is given in the statement, and so AB is 20 meter. Let point P on the ground and angle of elevation from the this point from the bottom and from the top are 45 and 60. So students, first of all you have to write down all the given things that is given in the question. Now students, we take right angle triangle. First right angle triangle is APB. And students, आपको यहाँ ये देखना है कि हमें यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में गिवन है हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हमें फाइंड करना है, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन मार्क, हाइट ऑफ द टॉवर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, सबसे पहले हम फाइंड करेंगे ऐसी साइड को विच इज़ कॉमन टू बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स. Here PB is the base that is common to the triangle APB and this is also common to the triangle CPP. So students, in this way we take tan because relation between perpendicular and base is tan. So here angle is 45 degree, tan 45 is equals to AB over PB. So value of AB is 20 meter. In this way we get PB is 20 meter. Students, मैं आपको एक shortcut trick और भी सिखाती हूँ. जब भी हम 45 डिग्री के एंगल से सामने वॉल को देखते हैं, दैट मीन्स कि जितनी हाइट वॉल की है हम उतने ही डिस्टेंस पर वॉल से उतने ही डिस्टेंस पर हम खड़े हैं। ओके, सो आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि अगर बिल्डिंग की हाइट 20 मीटर है तो हम भी 20 मीटर के डिस्टेंस पर खड़े हैं। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हियर similarly we use the next triangle. Next triangle is PBC. In this triangle we will again take tan function because there is relation between perpendicular and base, and here angle of elevation is 60 degree and value of tan 60 degree is √3. Okay, and PB is the base, that is 20 meter. In this way we get BC 20 √3. But students, you can see here AB plus AB plus AC is equals to 20 √3 because we have find this complete length, and here we have AB 20 meter but we need to find AC. So students, बहुत ही सिंपल है, हमें यहाँ क्या करना होगा, complete length में से AB को हमें subtract करना है. In this way we get AC. So students, आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं AB plus AC is 20 √3. Put the value of AB 20. In this way we get AC is equals to 20 under √3 minus 1 meter. So students, here is the next question, question number 8. This is important question. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. This is the pedestal. Okay, here is the statue. You can see here, this is the statue and its height is 1.6 meter. From a point on the ground, this point ground P, and the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. और हमें यहाँ find करना है height of the pedestal. So here pedestal is AB and statue is AC. So height of pedestal is AB. हमें AB की height find करनी है. So students, let's start. Here you can see that this is the 45 degree. That means BP and AB both are equal in length. Okay, so students, first write down the given, that all the concepts given in the statement. And now angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. So we need to find the height of the pedestal. So students, here there is the relation between perpendicular and base is the tan, and tan P is AB over BP. You can see here, and angle of elevation is 45 degree. In this way we get AB is equals to BP. Now students, similarly we take the second triangle. Second triangle is CBP. Now students, in this perpendicular and base, here is the relation of tan function. Tan P is equals to CB over BP, and angle of elevation is 60 degree. In this way we get tan 60 is √3, that is equals to √3 is equals to CB over BP. Now doing cross multiplication we get √3 AB is equals to CB. This is from first. Okay students, now students, हमें find करना है AB को. आप देख सकते हैं value of √3 AB. CB को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं, CB is complete this line. CB को हम लिख सकते हैं CA plus AB. So we write down CB as CA plus AB, and AC is what? AC is 1.6 meter. So students, in this way we get √3 AB minus AB is equals to 1.6, and take common AB. In this way we get AB is equals to 1.6 over √3 minus 1. But students, हम ये आंसर नहीं, यहाँ हम आंसर शो नहीं कर सकते because there is root in the denominator. So we have to do the rationalize, multiply and divide by under √3 plus 1. In this way we get 1.6 into √3 plus 1, and in the denominator a square minus b square. So square of √3 is 3 minus 1, we get 2, and on dividing we get 0.8. So students, here AB is the height of the pedestal, that is 0.8 √3 plus 1 meter. स्टूडेंट्स, अब आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं, हमें सबसे पहले ये देखना है कि हमें फाइंड क्या करना है और गिवन क्या है. अब जैसे हमें यहाँ पर 45 डिग्री एंगल गिवन था, तो जब भी 45 डिग्री एंगल की बात आती है तो हम tan यूज़ करते हैं बिकॉज परपेंडिकुलर एंड बेस बोथ आर इक्वल इन लेंथ. सो इन दिस वे वी गेट बोथ द AB and PB are equal, but we need to find the AB. So we take another right triangle, that is CBP. In this right triangle we will again use the same concept, and by using both first and second we will get the value of AB. Now students, here is question number 9. This is also important question. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter, find the height of the building. Student क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से समझेंगे. Angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower. You can see here that this is the building. Okay, this is the building and this is the tower. Angle of elevation of the top of building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Tower के foot से top of the building तक angle of elevation कितना है? 30 degree है. क्योंकि angle of elevation की बात हो रही है तो उसमें हमें नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ ही देखना होता है. Elevation means आप in the upward direction आप अपने eye angle of sight को आप increase कर रहे हैं in the upward direction. So students, here angle is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. You can see here. If the tower is 50 meter high and here it is given that tower is 50 meter high and we have to find the height of the building. So students, let's start the solution. Let the building be AB and tower be CD. You can see in the diagram. Height of the tower is 50 meter and hence CD is equals to 50 meter. So students, angle of elevation are given, that is given 30 degree ACB. ACB. So angle of elevation of top of tower from the foot of the building is also 60 degree. आप स्टूडेंट देख सकते हैं अभी तक जो भी गिवन था हमने सिर्फ वही लिखा है. नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, दैट इज ए बी. हमें ए बी को फाइंड करना है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, अब हमें एक रिलेशन बनाना होगा. वी हैव हेयर टू राइट ट्राइंगल. दिस वन फर्स्ट इज ए बी सी एंड सेकेंड इज डी सी बी. बट स्टूडेंट आप ये देखें दोनों राइट ट्राइंगल में क्या कॉमन है? कॉमन इज बेस, दैट इज बी सी. तो हम क्या करेंगे? गिवन 50 मीटर की हेल्प से बेस फाइंड करेंगे एंड देन with this base we will find the height of the building. So students, let's start. Here we use tan B. Tan B, B here is 60 degree and perpendicular is 50 and base we had to find BC. So students, by doing cross multiplication we get BC 50 over root 3. Now students, similarly in right triangle ABC we use tan C. Tan C is equals to AB over BC. So students, here value of tan 30 is 1 over root 3, AB over BC and BC is 50 over root 3. By doing the cross multiplication we get AB is equals to 50 over root 3 into root 3, that means 50 over 3 meter. So students, hence height of the building is 50 over root 3. 50 over 3 meter is the height of the building. So students, hopefully आज के questions आपको concept clear होंगे. So do more and more practice. This topic needs a lot of practice and just understanding base chapter. So students, first of all you have to learn all the formulas and basic concepts and after that go with questions. So अगर आपको वीडियो समझ में आई हो तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए. Thank you for watching the complete video.